I'd like to congratulate Godrej Easy for coming up with this Winter Hugs initiative. I think it's very noble. Nobody can quite understand what it's like to be out in the winter without adequate warmth unless you're actually out there without adequate warmth. A lot of us seem to disregard the fact that so many of us don't have access to woolens. And we come from an immense comfort of privilege where woolen clothing is never an issue. I think to be able to share and distribute these sweaters as part of this initiative is a small step in not just helping these kids become warmer, but in making people realize that it doesn't take that much to help somebody, especially in the winter, because winter can be truly devastating for children. Their lungs can't take the exposure, and so many children fall sick to serious conditions like pneumonia on account of being overexposed and underclad in winter. As an individual, I think it's important to always set goals for yourself, and I feel if you set goals for yourself and find a way to achieve them, you will find time for everything you want to do. The difference between dreams and goals is that everybody has a dream. Not very many people will convert that dream into a goal and make a plan. Once you convert it into a goal, make a plan, everything literally falls into place. When doing different things, compartmentalization, timing, it all works out, but the whole key is to have a goal and a plan. My resolution for the new year really is to set new goals with a plan to achieve them, and to stick to the earlier goals and the work that I've already done towards them, and to make sure that I take each day and appreciate each day that comes my way. Affirmative action by corporate leaders like Godrej through their campaign, Winter Hugs with Easy, and of course the work of NGOs like Maitri Sudha, essentially bridges the gap between what needs to be done and what can be done given the state of the government resources and government infrastructure. This gap of inequality, of unequal access to opportunity, to resources, to healthcare, to nutrition, to education can only be filled by affirmative actions, both from the corporates as well as from the non-governmental areas. Thank you very much.